Hold still.
That was cool.
You're gonna see another one.
Looks like a mountain. I can't hold the camera still in my hand. I'm so shaky. That was cool. Wow. It's so blue on this camera.
Just hold still, son.
It's a terrible game.
I'm so shaky.
Where's Daisy?
I'm moving 30 miles an hour.
Okay. Still be here. If I have my waterproof GoPro, I just set it right there. And no, nobody wants to buy me one. Investments, Mom. Investments. That was cool. Can't wait for the thunder. I'm hearing thunder. Ow.
No, no. It's like in the grass. Nasty in the balls. Probably when he comes cut the grass, he'll kill 3 or 4 of them.
That was cool. Whatever that was, I just got blinded. Hope we don't get a tornado. Yeah, Dad, they burrow under this concrete slab.
No, rabbits don't live in rock.
Dad, they go through the rock.
No, they don't.
The rock is just the doorway.
Have you ever watched a movie? Who is baking in this?
That's some shit. That's some chipmunks over there. That's what chipmunks are.
It's moving towards us. You lied to me. The news people lied. Oh, I got that on camera.
Alright, turn it off. You got
See, this is why I'm not turning it off.
enough.
I don't.